Navigating a difficult conversation with a boss. How to ask for a raise. This is a real-life role-play that is relatable and provides practical advice on career development and negotiation skills. You will also learn contextual phrases, phrasal verbs, and idioms, so let's look over them. Here are the phrases, phrasal verbs, and idioms used in the scenario. Phrases: do you have a few minutes to talk? I've been reflecting on my time here. I wanted to discuss my role and contributions to the team. I appreciate your initiative. Tell me more. Thank you for your time and consideration. Keep up the great work. Phrasal verbs: come in and have a seat. Taking on new challenges. Doesn't fully reflect my work. Discuss the possibility. Brought this up. Hit the ground running. Get back to you. Idioms: hit the ground running. Points are well taken. The dialogues go back and forth between an ambitious, hardworking, but slightly nervous employee and an approachable yet professional boss, known for being fair but demanding. The scenario is that Emma wants to ask for a raise, but is unsure how to approach the conversation with Mr. Johnson. She has been with the company for 3 years, consistently exceeds expectations, and has taken on additional responsibilities. So, Emma enters the boss's office, taking a deep breath before knocking on the open door.
Hi, Mr. Johnson. Do you have a few minutes to talk?
Sure, Emma. Come in and have a seat. What's on your mind?
Thank you. I've been reflecting on my time here and wanted to discuss my role and contributions to the team.
Of course. I appreciate your initiative. Tell me more.
Over the past 3 years, I've really enjoyed working here and taking on new challenges. For instance, leading the project on specific project was a significant learning experience, and as you know, it resulted in a 20% increase in efficiency for our department.
Yes, your leadership on that project was impressive. What are you thinking about in terms of your role?
Given my contributions and the additional responsibilities I've taken on, I believe my current salary doesn't fully reflect my work. I'm hoping we can discuss the possibility of a raise.
I understand. Compensation is important, and I'm glad you brought this up. Can you provide more details on your achievements and how you've exceeded your role's expectations?
Certainly. Along with the project I mentioned, I've also been mentoring new team members, which has helped them ramp up more quickly. Additionally, I spearheaded the implementation of new system, saving the company approximately $50,000 annually.
Those are significant contributions, Emma. Have you considered a specific figure or percentage increase for your raise?
Based on my research and the additional responsibilities I've taken on, I'm proposing a 10% increase in my salary.
I appreciate you coming prepared with a specific figure. I'll need to review this with HR and consider our budget, but your points are well taken. I should be able to get back to you by the end of next week.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. I appreciate your time and consideration.
Thank you, Emma. Keep up the great work.
And then Emma stands, shakes Mr. Johnson's hand, and leaves the office with a smile.